that we welcome you all to this meaningful meet of the GT RIP Scholars.
I-early gift natin yan ang early gift hanggang sa wala ng college student ang kailangang tumigil sa pag-aaral kasi assured na sila ng scholarship at ng magandang kinabukasan.
The support you gave me through the JT RIP Scholarship did not just help me, it helped my family. And to our new JT Scholars, I know that each of you also carries your own stories of hardship. Let it serve as your inspiration. May this remind you that someone believes in you and in the beauty of your dreams.
Reach out for the stars, let's make this world ours. We can do anything.
Mahalaga sa amin na ma-meet kayo. And today, naghanda yung ating sekretariat ng iba't ibang activities para mas makilala natin ang ating mga sarili at makilala nyo rin ang isa't isa bilang mga kapwa scholars.
Take a deep breath, let's get away.
Palakpakan natin yung e-family. Kasi dahil sa kanilang generosity, kaya meron tayong gift of scholarship para sa inyo.
Adventure is waiting there. We can go anywhere.
As GT Scholars, we carry different stories, struggles, and dreams. But we all are united by the same sana. Sana makaraos, sana makatapos. And through the GT Foundation Scholarship, that hope was answered.
This places we've never been.
Dahil GT RIP ang naghatid ng sinag sa diwa nating mga scholar, nagiging posible ang mga pangarap. We've gone to truly realize that nothing is impossible when it comes to chasing our dreams.
There's places we've never been, up and far away.
Sana hindi natin makalimutan na mag-share din ng blessings sa inyo. Dahil sabi nga nila, ang pinakamakabuluhang paraan para magpasalamat sa biyayang ating natanggap ay i-share yung biyaya na rin sa iba.
This has always been the guiding principle of our late founder, Dr. George SKT, to always pay it forward.
Take a deep breath, let's get away.
Hindi kami satisfied na mag-graduate lang kayo. Kasi gusto namin makahanap kayo ng magandang trabaho. Kasi Metrobank, bahagi siya ng iba't ibang kumpanya.
Adventure is waiting there.
Gatherings like this reminds us that while we come from different institutions, we are united by a common purpose: to make the most of the opportunities given to us and to use our education as a means to give back to our communities and to the nation.
These places we've never been. This is where it
And I really hope that it will be a meaningful morning as we prepare for a brighter future ahead for us.
There's places we've never been.
From my family to yours, maligayang maslo.
There's places we've never been.